Hello students, in this video we are going to do the project for reverse parking alert system with our BNSS IoT Trainer Kit. For that we need ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, jumper wires and an Arduino Nano from our kit. To do the project, we need to create the circuit as per the schematic diagram. Connect ultrasonic sensor trick pin to Arduino Nano pin D12 and connect echo pin to Arduino Nano pin D11. After that, connect the first pin positive on the buzzer to Arduino Nano pin D5. After connecting the circuit, upload the project to the Arduino Nano using the Arduino IDE as shown in our previous tutorial video. After completing the code uploading process, we just have to check the output of the project to check that reverse auto parking mechanisms is working properly. Keeping in mind that the buzzer tone changes with the distance between the obstacles. Have you experienced this kind of project anywhere? Adaptive parking assistance. Modern vehicles use the system to provide faster beeping as proximity to an obstacle decreases. Thank you.